Hello, this is Simon Cohen, and in today's video, I really want to talk about your domain name and hosting, because you do need a WordPress website to host a landing page and to host the Thrive theme, which is what I'm going to talk about later. But as today's lesson is just about the hosting and your domain name, I use GoDaddy and I also use HostGator because it is reasonable and the support system is really good. So with HostGator, there's three different plans here: a hatchling plan, a baby plan, and a business plan. And as you can see, the baby plan's only $3.78 a month, so that's actually quite good. I think though, if I'm, let me just check buy now, because I think you have to buy it in sections. I think you have to buy it in 6 month increments. Yeah. So see if you go to billing cycle here and click on that, it gives you the option of paying for it monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. Obviously, the longer you go, the more discount that you get, and that's just something to consider with regards to how much you want to pay for the hosting. And it's the same with GoDaddy as well. They have different plans depending on what you want to go for. I have noticed on the GoDaddy website that they've got a WordPress hosting link here, so I'll just click on that to see how we get on. Yeah, so it's really straightforward to set this up. You just click on that link and get started. Alright, and then there's the basic packages. I would just go for a basic package to start off with, which is $2.99 a month. But then you can see they've charged that for 12 months and they've added off 365 onto that, so you can deduct. So you can go here to change that to a monthly cycle, and it's the same as the HostGator as well. You've got options. You can have 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. So it depends on your budget. Remember to tick the right box, and it will show up on the order summary box here. And you just click on the button to continue. Now, with regards to the domain name, it's important literally just to use your own name. You can, let me just go back to this. So we're on the GoDaddy invoice and you just click on, you need to create an account, sign in, and it will set you up with the WordPress website. It's very straightforward. I'm not going to do it now because I've already set it up. But if you do have any problems with it, send me an email and I will be able to help you. And it's the same scenario as HostGator. It's fairly straightforward to set up. Let me just see if I can sign into my account and show you how easy it is. So I was talking about domain names earlier and I got a bit distracted. And what I was saying about domain names is you want to actually promote your own name. So my name is Simon Cohen, so my website is simoncohen.com. You can, if it's just for making money online, you can just use a domain name like that. But you need to remember the domain names with any of these names attached to it will cost more money. So it's probably easier just to set up the WordPress website with your own name. And I've explained before that setting up WordPress is relatively straightforward. You just go in and you just click on you just go in and follow the instructions as you go along. It's just important to remember the different options. If they add on Office 365 or if they add on privacy or something like that, it's just important to look through it and to make sure that it's unticked, because sometimes it will come up with more money on the invoice, and that's probably the reason why. If you are completely stuck, you can email me, send me a message, and I will help you. The other option is there is a website called Fiverr.com, and if you go to Fiverr.com, you can actually get somebody to actually set up for you. So if I go into the main page and type in WordPress, WordPress setup. Well, let's go into WordPress. Set up and install. So just type in WordPress setup and install, and this will give you a list of people that will actually set it up for you. So you need to give them your domain name and your password and all this other information. So here you go. I will install and set up WordPress for you, and that's only $3.96. I will do it for free if you want. If you send me your information, I'll be able to do it. But these people will do it really quickly, within a couple of hours. And that's really how straightforward it is to set up the WordPress website. So once you've got the domain name and your hosting set up, we're going to get a landing page builder plugged into that, and then we're going to use that to build a landing page or a sales page, and then we're going to use that to promote and build a list. And that's really how this course is going to work. If you do have any questions, just send me an email at simonfoxhouse@gmail.com, or alternatively, you can join me on Facebook and send me a message there. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.